Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Verma. Today's recipe is my daughter's favorite, gooey brownies. I hope you enjoy my recipe. In a microwave proof bowl, I'm going to add in my dark chocolate and butter and melt this. In our melted butter and dark chocolate, I'm adding in vanilla extract and some cocoa powder, giving it a mix. I'm adding the baking soda and the salt and giving it a mix. In one of my mixing bowls, cream, sugar, and milk. With the help of a whisk, you can even use a hand blender. I'm just going to mix this up well. Once this is mixed well, I'm going to add in my chocolate mix. Give it a good mix. My flour mix. Again, mix this well. To this, I'm going to add my milk chocolate chips. If you don't have the chocolate chips, you could just use chocolate that has been finely chopped and some white chocolate chips. My brownie batter is ready to be put in the molds. I've got a brownie mold, lined it with cupcake liners. I'm topping my brownies with some chopped walnuts. These are optional. You can even use almonds if you like. And this goes into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Our delicious gooey brownies are out of the oven. I hope you enjoy this. It tastes yum with vanilla ice cream. See ya.